Your plumber will never tell you this secret, and honestly, I couldn't believe it until I tested it myself. Forget wasting your money on pricey products or service calls. This simple DIY method unclogs a sink faster, cheaper, and much cleaner than anything you can buy. Let's jump straight into this amazing do-it-yourself trick that truly works. First, grab a medium-sized bowl. We're about to mix a few ordinary household ingredients that, when blended together, become surprisingly powerful. Pour in 4 ounces of dish soap. Any type or fragrance works fine. Then sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt. I like using coarse salt because it dissolves more slowly, boosting its natural scrubbing strength. Now comes the secret ingredient, 4 ounces of vinegar. As soon as the vinegar hits the bowl, it reacts instantly, activating with the soap and salt to create a potent cleaning solution that goes deep into the drain and fights stubborn buildup. Stir everything well until it turns slightly cloudy. That's when you know it's perfectly mixed and ready. Tell me in the comments which city you're watching from. I love seeing where this DIY magic travels. Now, let's put this home trick into action. If your sink drains slowly, you know how irritating that can be. Maybe hair, grease, or food debris is blocking the pipes. Begin by removing any standing water from the sink so the drain is mostly dry. This will make the mixture work more effectively. Next, pour a good amount of baking soda straight into the drain. Baking soda will interact with the mix we prepared and trigger a gentle but powerful reaction that's safe and effective. Slowly pour the vinegar soap salt blend over the baking soda and watch closely. You'll see fizzing and foaming right away. That's the chemical reaction dissolving grime and melting away everything trapped inside your pipes. Let this do-it-yourself remedy sit for 10 to 20 minutes without touching it. Patience is key. The longer it rests, the deeper it cleans. Once time's up, fill your sink with very hot water, nearly to the top. Quickly release it all at once. That strong flush of heat and pressure washes away loosened residue, leaving your pipes spotless and fresh. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. Have you ever tried a DIY trick like this before? Comment yes if you're going to test it yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more clever home tricks that really make a difference.